Möbel Cabinetry was founded by my father up close to 30 years ago. It was, born out of necessity. He started out of his garage, so very humble beginnings. We were using a lot of Excel spreadsheets. There was a software that my father had got Cabinet Vision, so he started very early stages with that. There's a lot of little things, inefficiencies, not getting the correct information, just a lot of different mistakes, transfer errors, those kind of things. In regards to the assembly, you would have to sit there and spend, a good half hour, let's say, to sort out the parts. You have to make sure, hey, I've got my stretchers, these got to be sorted here. You'd have to separate all your shelves and your gables and components. And that was very time consuming. Right, so shipping was, as we were growing, there was a lot of mixing up of parts. So guys would load the wrong parts in, there'd be a job site, 4 hours away. The parts that had to go around the corner from the factory would end up there. So there was a lot of those things where things wouldn't, end up in the right spot. There's a huge change in manufacturing. And I think these guys are bringing a lot of good stuff forward. You import your project right from Cabinet Vision into WebCab. It labels, it identifies the parts. It lets the the next stations know what they have to do.
So being able to see where our product is at in production in real time, it's very helpful if a customer calls for a part, even if they want to make the late change, something like that. We can see where it's at. We can give them an update if things are falling behind. If something gets damaged, we can see where that happened and track that. It just makes us very comfortable with where our product is at.
You can go on the dashboard, you can see, hey, real time, I'm sitting here, this is how much time I've spent on the order. If there's a back order or damage, it lets us know right away. There's not 3 people running around in the factory trying to figure those things out. So those are, and shipping, like we can't overlook shipping. That's been a huge thing for us, having everything wrapped, kitted, labeled to give it that professional look. So those are the major points that I would say, that WebCab has helped us with.